Possible that Bitcoin will further break down. This is what we will speak about, bratans, and today is a very, very crucial day. I explain you in a second also why, and I show you also my trade. First, let me tell you why we saw this dump. Dump happened, bratans, because Russia cuts oil production by 5%, prices climb. And as always, I tell you and explain you, if you want to understand the crypto market, in order to understand it, first you have to watch S&P 500. S&P 500 is the leading indicator for Bitcoin. Second, you have to watch the oil price. Why? Because the more expensive the oil price or the oil, the more expensive your products, the higher the inflation. The higher the inflation, the more we will see the interest rates will be hiked by the Fed. Okay, you understand? So this is one of several factors which we have to watch, but one of the most important is S&P 500 and the oil price. So this was the reason for the dump. But what happens next right now? So let us together watch. By the way, I wrote also in the Telegram group, we are breaking further down, next support 200 EMA, 21,387, and let us quickly watch here. I show also in a second my trade. So if I'm opening here the EMA, by the way, this is the moving average. So this is the 200 moving average. This is one of the strongest supports here, the blue one, and we nearly reached it. I mean, we didn't touch it yet, but I mean, we could see maybe in this weekend a little bit more down to 21,414. But all in all, I don't expect much movement throughout the weekend. Why? Because, and this also what I wrote in the Telegram group, which is absolutely for free, that we have to watch what's happening Friday evening, because usually when we see Friday evening dump, we see throughout the weekend dump. If we see pump Friday, we see throughout the weekend pump. We see consolidation on Friday evening, we see consolidation throughout the weekend. And yesterday we saw a consolidation. It was a little bit more dump, but it's all in all, if you're zooming out, it's a consolidation. And as we nearly touched the 200 EMA, I opened immediate, very risky. This was the reason why usually I write you all my positions, but this position I didn't wrote you because this was a very risky position. I opened it because I expected we will see bounce, and I opened a long position here, and this long position is at the moment $462 in profit, 22% in profit, $100,000 in contract size. However, I'm not sure right now, but maybe I will close this position because it's getting really a little bit weird right now, and there's not a clear direction. I explain in a second why I think so. If you want to join this Telegram group, bratans, absolutely for free, and you get also access to our Discord channel. On our Discord channel, you get the crypto course absolutely for free for beginners and for advanced traders. How you can get there? It's very easy. Link in the description. Open, it's really the first one. There are basically two steps. Make registration on Bybit through my link. Here you see it. Then the second step, deposit $500 on your Bybit account. You can use it for trading. You can use it for buying on spot, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or all the other altcoins. And then you get the free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. Absolutely for free. So, and now, 1 second. I have to, yes? Yes, she can come up. Yeah, thank you. Okay, sorry. So, and now let us go quickly to Bitcoin. So, right now, why I said to you it's a little bit strange right now, because we are fighting here on the 4 hourly. Again, the blue line, you see, we broke all this 20 moving average, 50 moving average, 100 moving average, and right now we are fighting here for this 200 moving average. And it's obvious, if in case we are breaking here clearly down, closing in clear 4 hourly below this 200 moving average, this is for us a clear short opportunity. Yes, this is a clear short opportunity. What are the price targets? If we're clearly breaking down, I would say if we're clearly breaking below 21,400, yeah, maybe here, if we're clearly closing a 4 hourly below this 4 hourly 200 moving average, then our next price target would be here very clear. It would be 21K. So yes, potentially it would be. It's very risky in my opinion to short. However, for some of us day traders or hourly traders, this could be short to 21,000, 21,011. And if we break this line, because this is not the strongest support, the next 100 moving average is coming here, this a yellow line, support at 20,090 approximately, so 6.1% short opportunity. It could be potentially, but this is very risky. And why it's very risky? Because if we are zooming out and we are watching on the weekly, bratans, we are still, I here delete this, by the way, let me open the EMA ribbon. Okay. The EMA ribbon, we are inside of the weekly EMA ribbon. It would be very bullish if we are breaking above it. However, it's still, in my opinion, a clear relief rally. We created a higher high, we're creating higher lows. So in my opinion, this is a clear relief rally to the upside. Therefore, a short right now is really for only professional traders. Really for professional traders. Because right now we are still in a relief rally to the upside. Relief rally to the upside, we are expecting that this relief rally will continue between here, the big resistance coming between 25,800 and 27K, right? This is the big resistance. So at least that we are going between 27,000 and 25,000. Also, why 27,000? Because if we're opening here the moving averages, you see this 20 moving average, this is the big resistance, is coming here at 27K. So this is a perfect a golden number for us, where we could see the relief rally heading to 27K. In the immediate short term, there is not a clear direction. I'll be honest with you, there's not a clear direction. So therefore, yes, we could see maybe a retest of this 22,366 resistance line, which was previously support line. You see here support. We could see here retest, right? There's the potential retest to 22,380, and then we see a dump to 20,000. Yes, this could happen, but we could also further go down. So nobody knows. Right now, in this weekend, I expecting here further consolidation. I expecting here slow movements to up and downside until Sunday evening. We see that Bitcoin choose direction to the up or to the downside. Nobody knows right now, but it's very clear. If we are breaking clearly here below 21,000, let's say 21,400, this could be a short opportunity. If we are breaking clearly above 21,900, this could be a long opportunity, at least to 22,368, right? So, in my opinion, this is very clear. Why, again, for everyone who is new here, why Sunday evening, the Asia market is open. Then we see usually high volatility, and latest on Monday, 9:30, when the stock market in the US open, then we see usually a high volatility to the up or to the downside. And if we are breaking our support line, so 21,400, it's a short opportunity. In my opinion, however, this is a very dangerous short opportunity, because it can be quick wick to the downside and then to the upside, because we are still in a relief rally and the trend is your friend. This is what they usually tell. Therefore, I expecting further go to the upside. However, we could see quick wick down, so be careful. I shorted yesterday. You remember I made $1,400 profits. Here I wrote you in my Telegram group exactly when I entered the trade. If you remember, I show you quickly, where was it here. This was my short. I shorted until 22,000, what was it? And until 22,600 or 800, I shorted down. Then I closed it because this is too dangerous. What I will do right now with my long position, bratans, here, which is right now $460 in profit, 22% in profits. What I will do it with this $100,000 trade, I will show you in my Telegram group, because I didn't decide right now, because I'm watching right now. I expect still a consolidation today and tomorrow, but I didn't decide. I want to just watch closely the market, and then as soon as I will decide, you will see it here in the video, or the earliest you will see in the Telegram group, because there it's very quick. I write you usually when I open or closing a trade, or what I'm doing with this trade. By the way, my swing position, long position, I still have open 624% profit, $8,200 in profit. So this looks amazing. And Ethereum reached also $1,500 as expected, as Bitcoin dumped. I also showed you in my previous video, in my yesterday's video. So bratans, right now, obviously, if Bitcoin pumping, I expect Ethereum to pump. Bitcoin dumping, I expect Ethereum to dump, because Ethereum usually only following Bitcoin, right? So bratans, thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and I see you in the Telegram group. Mwah.